This is an Alberta emergency alert. The government of Alberta has issued an emergency alert regarding a child. This is not a drill. Following the latest reports from the Calgary Police Service, a 13-year-old boy who appears to be East Asian and wears red and black has been missing after running away from his home before the police arrived and was about to detain him to take him to a hospital. It's unknown how this child has been able to be hidden completely in a short amount of time. We want all citizens to try to find this child and immediately report to the police department. The reason why we will detain this child once we found him is because he is intensely having difficulty managing his emotions, and the way he reacts to them at his school and his negative behaviors increased significantly over the last 2 weeks. He is making people feeling not safe in this public place. While this emergency broadcast is not severe, their parents and supporters is aggravated that he is lost. Just in case, you can wait for the latest update about this situation. It's your choice and it is optional. Visit www.calgary.ca/missingchild if you want to know the latest information. This is a serious, severe emergency alert to all citizens of Alberta. The child is now a dangerous, death threat due to responding very strong by killing one of the law enforcement officers. Somewhat, the child, especially that the fact that he is taller than the average male height, killed over 700 police officers before we retrieve. And after we came back with extreme heavy force to neutralize the child, we still failed. And the reason why we keep failing to win is because this child is incredibly genius, meaning he literally has advanced weaponry tools and machines to kill every law enforcement officer in seconds. This is beyond our current technology. We might have to surrender, end Canada, and accept our fate. Farewell, citizens of Canada. And prepare, as these next few days could potentially be very well our last.